Machine learning is a fascinating field that blends computer science, statistics, and data analysis to create systems that learn from data. If you're just starting out, there are some incredible books that can guide you on this journey. First up is Hands-on Machine Learning with Scikit-Learn, Keras, and TensorFlow by Aurélien Géron. This practical guide is perfect for beginners, offering hands-on projects that make complex concepts easier to grasp. Next, Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning by Christopher Bishop dives deep into the theory behind machine learning, making it a must-read for those who want a solid foundation. Deep Learning by Ian Goodfellow, Yoshua Benjo, and Aaron Corville is another essential, providing comprehensive insights into neural networks and their applications. For a more accessible approach, check out the 100-page Machine Learning book by Andrei Burkov, which condenses key concepts into a concise format. Machine Learning Yearning by Andrew Ng is a fantastic resource for understanding how to structure machine learning projects effectively. Don't miss Python Machine Learning by Sebastian Rashka, which combines practical coding examples with theoretical insights. Introduction to Machine Learning by Ethamal Payton offers a broad overview, making it great for those who want to see the bigger picture. Data Mining, Concepts and Techniques by Jiawei Han and Micheline Camber is excellent for understanding the data side of machine learning. Bayesian Reasoning and Machine Learning by David Barber introduces a probabilistic approach that is increasingly popular in the field. Finally, Machine Learning, A Probabilistic Perspective by Kevin P. Murphy is a comprehensive text that covers a wide range of topics in depth. These books will equip you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the exciting world of machine learning. Happy reading!